Good day, everyone. My name is Aliya Silmi. I'm a student in the School of Business and Management, Bandung Institute of Technology. Thank you for having me here in the International Conference on Business, Economics, Law, Language, and Psychology. In this occasion, I would like to present my research regarding the influence of discount, delivery fee, and cashback toward customer purchase decision and loyalty in online food delivery service industry. Without further ado, let's start with the first part. Here are some topics that we will be discussing in the first chapter. So in April 2015, Gojek became the pioneer of online food delivery service in Indonesia by launching GoFood due to the high demand of customer need. The success story of GoFood was then followed by Grab and Shopee by launching their own online food delivery service in 2016 and 2020 called GrabFood and Shopee Food. As one of the ways to promote and attract new users, online food delivery companies offer various types of sales promotion, including but not limited to price discount, free delivery fee, and cashback. As you can see in the slide, these are some of the example of those promotion. Those kind of strategies can be considered as burning money strategy, which is actually proven to be effectively increase the number of online food delivery service user. Unfortunately, companies cannot always maintain those strategies because at the end of the day, investors demand the online food delivery company to become more profitable. As a result, online food delivery companies start to reduce their promotion value and add extra fee to food orders. This issue become a problem for online food delivery consumers as they rely to sales promotion to purchase food in most of the time. Therefore, the main problem here is that customers are not loyal to one company as they always search for the most affordable one. So, is it true that sales promotion affect customer loyalty? Is it only my assumption? Do the current circumstances change the customer loyalty? We'll find out the fact regarding this issue in this study. I did a preliminary research which revealed that only 12% of the respondents answered that discounts are not giving an impact on their customer purchase decision, meaning that only 12% of the respondents are considered loyal. The graph on the left side also supports the statement since there are only 6 out of 42 respondents that use only one online food delivery service platform. Previously, there are some research related to promotion and loyalty, but it was conducted in the fintech and ride-hailing industry, also only covered certain cities in Indonesia. Therefore, with two research questions as follow, this research aims to evaluate the influence of discount, delivery fee, and cashback on customer loyalty in online food delivery service industry. Also to assess the relationship between brand trust, purchase intention, and purchase decision toward customer loyalty in the online food delivery service industry. Finally, this research was conducted within the timeframe of September 2022 to June 2023 in Indonesia and target Indonesian online food delivery service user as respondent. Let's move on to chapter 2, which will cover the research hypothesis and development of the conceptual framework of this research. So this research has 7 variables as follows, starting from discount to loyalty. The variables then combine to become a conceptual framework as shown in this slide. Discount, delivery fee, and cashback become the independent variable, while loyalty become the dependent one. Brand trust, purchase intention, and purchase decision are the mediating variable of this research. And then the relationship between each variable is coming from several previous research as shown on the bottom of this slide. The path in previous slide from 9 hypotheses as follows from hypothesis 1A to hypothesis 5C. Next chapter, we will be discussing the methodology of this research. In collecting the data, this research utilized a quantitative research approach, which is an online questionnaire, multiple choice using a 5-point Likert scale, with Google Form as the platform. And this research was also conducted using a purposive sample technique, targeting at least 200 respondents coming from Indonesia, online food delivery service user. The data was then analyzed using descriptive statistics and PLSM in Smart PLS 4. Moving on to chapter 4, which is going to be the data analysis and the discussion. So this research successfully obtained 2,886 respondents across Indonesia. Majority of the respondents are university students, aged 19 years old, and currently reside in Java Island. Moving on to the next one. The first graph highlighted that many online food delivery service users use more than one online food delivery application. Even the majority of the respondents has 3 applications, namely GoFood, GrabFood, and Shopee Food. This phenomenon shows that online food delivery service users are not loyal to one company. The most used online food delivery platform here is GoFood, followed by Shopee Food and GrabFood. This research also aligned with previous research conducted by Tenggara Strategies. And then next is respondent behavior in ordering food using online food delivery service. Many respondents ordered 1 to 2 times per week, spending 140,000 rupiah per week in average. 10K rupiah as the minimum and 1.5 million rupiah become the maximum value per week per user. Moving on to the PLSM analysis. Several tests were conducted using Smart PLS4. The first thing I want to highlight here is reliability test, where both indicator reliability and internal consistency reliability tests show that all of the indicators and variables of this research are reliable. The same goes for the validity test, where convergent validity and discriminant validity reveal that all variables in this research are valid, since the AVE value of each variable exceeding 0.5. Next, there is no multicollinearity issue in this research, meaning that we don't have to eliminate or combine some variables. I also use a goodness of fit, hypothesis testing, F-square effect size, also the total indirect and total effect. Eventually, I utilize a mediation analysis to test whether or not brand trust, purchase intention, and purchase decision become a mediating variable of this research. Turns out that these three variables pass the test. Therefore, brand trust, purchase intention, and purchase decision are considered as mediating variable in this research. This is the PLSM diagram where we can see the relationship between each variable and its indicators. Now here, using the bootstrapping in Smart PLS, we can see that the t-statistic and p-value of each structural path, which then determine whether a hypothesis will be accepted or not. After conducting the test, it is found that all of the hypotheses are accepted as they meet the minimum requirement of t-statistic value, which must exceed 1.96. Here are some key takeaways from this research. The first one be the more discount, cashback, and delivery fee voucher given, the more brand trust gained by online food delivery service company. Then the more trust gained by OFD companies, the higher customer intention to buy food using OFD service application. Next, customer purchase decision to buy food using online food delivery platform is likely to increase as purchase intention arise. Customer decision to purchase food using OFD platform contribute to increase their loyalty level to the company. And the more discount, cashback, delivery fee voucher given, the more loyal their customer to one of OFD companies. So basically, with the respondent characteristic, as I mentioned earlier, this research proved that discount, delivery fee, and cashback have a huge influence on customer loyalty to online food delivery service. Now we've come to the last part of this presentation. I will be answering two research questions as the conclusion of this research. For RQ1, this study found that discount, delivery fees, and cashback directly influence customer loyalty in online food delivery service industry. Meanwhile, for RQ1, brand trust, purchase intention, and purchase decision act as a mediator. This mediating variable plays an important role in influencing customer loyalty. Last but not least, a recommendation. Based on the result of this research, I have two recommendations that could be implemented by online food delivery service company. The first one is personalized offer. So instead of giving sales promotion to anyone at any time with the same form, I believe that online food delivery service company should limit the amount of sales promotion. Loyalty-based offer, occasion-based offer, and re-engagement offer are the example of this solution. Other than trying to reduce the promotion time to time, I also come up with a solution that could be beneficial for both customer and live food delivery service company, which is an affiliate program. This same of the problem can be seen on the slide, where customer can share the affiliate link on their social media, then their audience can click the link, buy an actual purchase, ending with the customer who shared the link got commission from that order. This strategy could lead online food delivery service companies to become more profitable and more sustainable. And that brings us to the end of this presentation. Thank you very much for listening.